At Locomotion Fitness, we operate under a model called the 5 pillars of health. And pillar number 4 is recovery, which is way overlooked. People want to work out hard, but they don't want to equally dedicate themselves to making sure that their body can wind down and absorb all of the stress that we're putting on it and mitigate it and manage it. We have these systems in our body, part of your nervous system, that are called your sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. And you have this nerve that is really affected by your breath called the vagal nerve. And we can literally massage that nerve with our breath by taking big full breaths and, really importantly, blowing all that air back out of our body. And the calm that washes over you comes literally from your breath, literally from a physical moving of that vagal nerve. So I'm just gonna do with you a quick, easy practice that you can use at any time throughout your day to make sure that you're giving yourself a chance to just be calm. Get into your parasympathetic nervous system. Get out of your brain just for a second. It'll still be there when you get back. So all you're gonna do is sit up nice and tall. You're gonna close your eyes if you feel comfortable. If not, you can just have a soft gaze. You're gonna take a big breath in through your nose. Hold it at the top and just count to 5. And then a big exhale all the way out. And then hold it. Count to 3. Big inhale all the way in through your nose. Hold it. A big exhale out your mouth. And hold. One more time. Big breath in. Hold. And a big breath out. And then just feel into that sensation or lack of sensation. And all you have to do is take some deep breaths and slow down. Just slow down. Give your body a chance. And you'll be able to hit your workout so much harder with so much more conviction. And you'll be such a better person for everyone else around you, which is really what we're after at Locomotion Fitness. Could care less if you can squat 300 pounds or if you can run a 6-minute mile. I care that you're happy and that you can spread that happiness to everyone else in your community. And that takes transforming what your thoughts are about yourself and the world. And the best way I know how to do that is to slow down and breathe.